In this piano tutorial, I want to share a gospel progression that I actually learned from Jesus Molina, and he made this tutorial in Spanish, so I want to translate it to English for us English-speaking folk that may want to learn it. And this one is in the key of C major. And what I like about this progression is that all of the chords, all of the notes are, I guess you can call them diatonic, because they're all part of the C major scale. All of the notes are going to be the white notes, okay? So the only difficult, I guess we can call it difficult part, would be memorizing or learning the voicings of the actual chords within the progression, okay? So let's get started with a quick demonstration of how it sounds, and then we'll get into the tutorial. Okay, so what we're doing here is we're starting on the 6th chord, right? And usually when we play a 6th chord in C major, we think of an A minor. But in this case, we're not playing an A minor exactly. We're actually voicing it slightly different, almost like an F major. But we're going to see what comes up on the Chordy app, right? Well, here you can see it's an F major 7 over an A, right? This is actually called a drop 2 voicing, right? We're basically playing an F major over E, and we're taking the A and dropping it an octave to get this voicing. From here, we move on to the next chord, which is going to be a G major 6. But what you can see is that the figure or the position of the notes are actually exactly the same, right? For F major 7 as for G major 6. This is basically a G major 6 in drop 2 position, right? Same voicing. Then the next chord is going to be a C major, again using these drop 2 voicings, which are very key in this progression. We're playing a C major add 2 over E, right? Take a C major add 2, we drop the E an octave. So far we have. From here we're going to invert the C major and play it as another drop 2 voicing, right? Where we take the second inversion of C and drop the C an octave, okay? So far. From here we're going to repeat the F, but it's not going to be an F major 7. So instead of playing this chord right here, or if we bring it down here, we're actually going to voice it as an F major or an F major add 2, okay? Again, drop 2 voicing. Then we invert this chord once again to a different inversion of F major. Again, drop 2 voicing of that second inversion, right? Then we drop to another C major, right? C over E. Then we're going to the 6, which we're actually voicing as an A7 sus4, right? We're omitting the 3rd, the minor 3rd, and we're also omitting the 9th. And then we end on a D minor 7, 11, okay? And this chord right here, I like thinking about it as an F sus2 over a D with the perfect 5th, okay? So all together. All right, hopefully you're able to take this and apply it to a different song. And quick reminder, I have a gospel progressions course available. It's the first link in the description of this video, and there you're able to learn 20 different gospel or jazz progressions and be able to learn them and transpose them to every single key.